In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Microsoft Copilot Pro and unlock its full power. Copilot Pro is an AI upgrade designed to streamline your work, especially inside Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by heading to the official Microsoft Copilot Pro page in your web browser. Make sure you're on an authentic Microsoft site to keep your account secure. On that page, look for the button labeled Get Copilot Pro and click it. This will take you to the sign-in and checkout flow. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. Use the same account you rely on for your personal Microsoft services, because Copilot Pro is tied to that identity. If you have more than one Microsoft account, choose the one that has your Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription. That part matters because Copilot Pro builds on top of Microsoft 365 to unlock its full power in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Without an active personal or family subscription, you can still subscribe to Copilot Pro, but you won't get the deep in-app features that make it so valuable. Next, you'll see pricing and payment options. Depending on your region and account, payment will be processed either through the Microsoft Store experience or directly from your Microsoft 365 subscription page. Both routes are official and secure. Select your preferred payment method, review the details, and confirm your purchase. Once the payment is complete, Copilot Pro is immediately linked to your Microsoft account. That means the next time you're signed in with this account, Copilot Pro will recognize your status and enable supported capabilities where available. If anything looks off after purchase, give it a moment to sync, refresh the page, or sign out and back in. A few helpful tips as you go. If sign-in loops or stalls, try a different browser or clear your cache. Make sure you're using a personal Microsoft account, since eligibility and features for work or school accounts can differ. Keep your billing region and payment method consistent to avoid checkout errors. And for budgeting or expense reporting, save the email receipt you receive after purchase. To recap the flow in one breath, go to the Microsoft Copilot Pro page, click Get Copilot Pro, sign in with your Microsoft account, ensure you have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription to unlock full features, then complete payment via the Microsoft Store or your subscription page. That's it, you're set with Copilot Pro.